Hello friends, I am Dr. Ajay Kothari. I am a consultant orthopedic spine specialist at Sancheti Hospital, Pune. On this World Osteoporosis Day, let me first explain you what is osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is weak bones. It was previously considered to be a disease of elderly people, but it is no longer the truth. With the drastic change in our lifestyle, it has equally commonly seen in younger age group. So what are the causes of osteoporosis? So the causes of osteoporosis are, first of all, poor lifestyle. So we as kids, we used to go out in open ground, play in sunlight, play with the friends. But nowadays, the younger generation is all the time on mobile, WhatsApp, PlayStation and just indoors. And mobile has become their best companion. Secondly, the food habits. The food habits that we used to eat were all homemade, healthy food stuff. But the younger generation wants everything from Swiggy, Zomato, packed food, pizzas, burgers, pastas. So where is the nutrition? So lack of exercise, improper diet, and to add to that, extreme mental stress. These are three important reasons for osteoporosis. Now, what are the symptoms? The symptoms of osteoporosis are repeated fractures. That is the first symptom. If anybody is getting repeated fracture, definitely meet up your doctor. Second thing is generalized body pains. You start getting neck pain very often, back pain very often, knee pain very often, elbow pain very often. So repeated joint pains is a very important diagnostic feature of osteoporosis. Now, how do you diagnose osteoporosis? So first is by doing some blood tests like vitamin D3, serum calcium, serum alkaline phosphatase. And second thing is by doing a test called DEXA scan. So this DEXA scan is a very important test for diagnosing osteoporosis. With the DEXA scan, we can exactly ascertain the level of osteoporosis. What is the treatment? I always divide the treatment into two. First is a holistic treatment and second is a medical treatment. I give more importance to holistic treatment. Now, what is holistic treatment is, number one, exercise regularly. 45 minutes of exercise 5 days per week is mandatory, which should include 15 to 20 minutes of cardio, 15 to 20 minutes of yoga and 15 to 20 minutes of weight training. These are three important things. Second important thing is healthy food habits. Say no to packed food, say no to preservatives, say no to pizza, burger, pasta. Eat all homemade healthy food stuff. Eat a lot of green leafy vegetables, fruit, sprouts, milk products, dry fruits. This is mandatory. And 7 hours of sleep is equally important, and early morning sunlight exposure for 1 hour between 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. is so important. So this completes the holistic approach. Medical treatment is if somebody has got a very weak T-score, that is on DEXA scan, the bones are very weak, then regular intake of calcium with vitamin D3 is mandatory. Along with that, there are newer tablets which have come, which has to be taken weekly once or monthly once is very important, which are called bisphosphonates. Nowadays, with the advancement in the modern science, newer injections in the form of teriparatide, that is daily एक subcutaneous insulin जैसे injection लेना होता है, जिससे हड्डी में मजबूती आती है, फिर 6 महीने में लेने वाला एक injection है. So cutting long story short, there is lot in the medical field also to offer and treat for osteoporosis. So that is equally important. So dear friends, prevention is better than cure. Treating osteoporosis is more difficult. Preventing osteoporosis is more easy. So please do it, and thank you very much. All the very best.